There go a train of people right here. Yep. Whip. Show you do you whip it. Show you do it right. It doesn't matter. Oh, it doesn't not. We done made it. We done made it out here. Look at that view, man. It's a bike fest kind of day. Sir. We done got the gas from Murphy's. Now we got to get our fuel from McDonald's. Don't judge us. It was a last minute decision. We're going to McDonald's, and I'm getting a triple cheeseburger with some chicken nuggets and some sweet tea. We gotta, but we do. Hey, we got Zach this time. I don't know if he was in the last video. We got the 3 bikes. Carlos Oddball Obvious out, however you say it. Hey, we are done with McDonald's. And it's cold out here, look at it. We going to boom, babies. Now, check this view out. We done made it to Blowing Rock. This right here is the climb. Is awesome. We done made it. We done made it out here. Look at that view, man. In the mountains. I ain't been to Rocky Knob in like 5 years or so since I had my rock hopper back in the day. Hardtail rock hopper. First real bike I ever had besides my Walmart bike. But now we got the Canevo and Zach and Carlos. Now I gotta put some sealant in my tires because they trying to take me down some crazy rock trail. So let me go ahead and get that sealant done. And we gonna see what this Rocky Knob Festival is all about. Oh. Man, I ain't been to Rocky Knob in so long. Let's see what this festival is about. I'm gonna tell y'all, Rocky Knob do not have that much parking, but it is some where we parked at on the outside. That's what I like right there. See, Zach? Like one of those. They got food. They got the asphalt pump track. And they got the view. Look at that. That's a view right there. That pump track. Get that new sealant. 4 ounces in the front I did, 4 ounces in the rear. Get that sealant rolling. Get that sealant rolling. I got to go to the bathroom. Yep, this is Rocky Knob, y'all. It's actually a pretty decent turnout. Me too. It is a 2-person bathroom. That's how they look. Nice bathrooms. Flushable toilets instead of the porta potty style toilets. Time to ride. Mountain view. That is awesome. Pump track, asphalt. That is awesome. Couple demos out here. We gotta go back to the car because I don't even have on my biking shoes. And I didn't grease my chain. Neither did Carlos. Neither did Zach. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we can get started. Where we at? I don't know where we at all. But here's your map.
Hey, we are here.
There you go. I see it now. We got to go up kindergarten, and then I think take a blue trail and climb up that.
Graduated high school.
You sure?
Remember?
Let's get to that climb. I want to let y'all know we are here. I think we climbing kindergarten. We in the race. I'm about to pass Zach. Thank you. I think we off the racetrack now. But this is Rocky Knob. Y'all never been? Boone, North Carolina. And this is what the climbing looked like. I never been in 4 years, so I'm sure we're about to get lost. Carlos, your turn. Did you do it? Did you do it? Man, I'll tell you one thing. We done lost like 10 degrees coming to Boone today instead of riding in Hickory or what? It's hard turning this big behind bike. That's why I downshifted to like the littlest gear or the biggest back gear I can find. I don't know what it is. They actually got a race going on, y'all. So we out here at the fest. So the same roads that we, it might be the same roads that we climbing up. It's an XC road race coming down. So definitely got to be cautious with this XC race while you're climbing, because these people are hauling tail. Oh, he might not be in there. Yeah. I guess this ain't Rocky Branch, but.
Wait, look at the other side. Other side, wait, that same post.
Oh.
I was confused too. I was like, what the hell?
Middle Earth. We was on Rocky Branch. You keep being on Rocky Branch, you're gonna make a complete circle. But now we did some climbing. I'm tired of shit. But now we're gonna do some more climbing up Middle Earth. We got the Zach and Carlos cam. Let's see how long this takes to get up. Hopefully we ain't got too much longer to climb. That was a rock garden. I can tell you, I see why, or I remember why Rocky Knob has the Rocky Knob name. I was trying to follow Carlos' lines.
Don't follow Carlos.
I almost ended up in the bushes.
If he ain't making it, don't follow.
My first time at the trail, man. I still trying to figure shit out.
We done made it to halfway to the top.
Hit the sign, bro.
It's the first time. Huh?
The two specialized levos right in front of us.
Man, that is a sign for y'all. Full power too.
The sign, Carlos, there's two.
That's, the left one is a full power, the right one is a SL.
Oh, with the sign, Carlos, we need to buy some.
We done made it to the jam
Levos.
in the PB&J trail. I think this is where the whip off is at. It's supposed to start at 2 o'clock. There they go. Oh, that was smooth right there. Yeah.
No, we gotta get somebody completely different.
That little kid would do better than me.
Yeah, he does better. Gone like a few times too.
They go train of people right here.
Wait to whip off and it didn't even happen.
Yep. Whip. Show you do you whip it. Show you do it right. It doesn't matter. Oh, it doesn't not. Yeah, you got to do that jump. Oh, I thought it was a dedicated drop one time.
It used to be. It used to not have that roll down.
Yeah, they didn't. It used to have to be a gap jump. Man, look at that view. Golly, but PB&J was the one that I always wanted to. That wasn't there. That road part, it was just a gap. Before when I came like 4 years ago, we didn't even get to a real trail ride yet. Man, that's more climbing up there. It done overgrown a lot. Oh yeah, that's the little one I was scared to do that time. Right there. That's not even that bad.
Where's the big one? They used to have 3 right here.
It's right. No, I only seen 2 when I came. It was that one over there, the little baby one, then the middle one, and then the big one. The big one don't even look that big no more. Yo! Carlos, your turn. Oh! Shoo! Man, look at that view in the background. That is crazy. Little breeze up here. Carlos mind playing with him because he ready to do this second one. Come on, you got it. Hey, if you fall, I got it on film so you can see what happened.
That's what I'm worried about.
You got an audience looking at you. There you go. There you go. That was beautiful. We're at the middle earth. All I felt like I've been doing so far is climbing.
What we better do?
What?
You gotta climb till you get to the top.
I bet.
All right, y'all. We're on Middle
On
Earth.
Stone Bench.
What is it?
About
Sick.
What color is it?
on the ring to Mount More.
What color is it?
Probably black.
Hey.
Climb up back here a little.
Well, hell no. I never been on this side before. This is all we follow Zach. So if he get us in some shit, it's all his fault.
A lot of climbing.
As far as I went was what we did at the drops. But apparently, there's more climbing now than it was. I'm ready for the downhill. I'm ready. See, that was a little fun. I'm gonna tell you. Yes, it's some rocky shit. Here's the name, Rocky Dog. I don't know if we're climbing or descending.
No. Okay, good.
So I met a fellow YouTuber.
I'm not climbing to the top right now. Yeah, I
That's
can
what
tell
I'm
you that.
saying.
Yeah, I'll get something.
I think
to
I'm
eat.
gonna go. I think I'm gonna follow you guys to go to the top, and then
So what do I do? Follow this?
follow
Middle
this
Earth to.
all the way to the
Don't be
parking
pushing
lot.
us.
No, we ran a race this morning,
Yeah,
so
we-
he doesn't
we
got
did
too
it.
much juice.
We did a 25-mile gravel race in Lansing, so like we just came to like just
Golly.
have some more time.
What's your name? What's your subscribe?
Will
YouTube?
ride bikes.
Will Ride Bikes. Yeah, definitely.
Big body bikes.
Big Bodies on Bikes is our Facebook
Big
group.
Body, on the Facebook group.
Yeah, but my YouTube name is DeMonte Moore.
DeMonte Moore.
Yep.
Okay.
And
All
you
right,
subscribe to that, you'll see.
Yeah, we
all
got
the-
a couple Facebook groups too. Bikes and Coffee and Back in Time BMX.
Okay, where y'all at? Like what location?
I'm on the coast, Jacksonville, North Carolina.
Really? We was just in Wilmington, North Carolina.
Oh no shit!
Yeah,
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 they had
yeah.
a ride out yesterday.
Really?
Yeah.
Man, that was awesome. We went down there for a week because that's where I'm from, that area.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Right now, I just been climbing, y'all, and climbing, and climbing. We did like 3 miles of climbing. It'll be like 3 miles of climbing, 1 mile of descending. No, it ain't that. But I think we're gonna have like 4.5 miles of climbing or something. That's beautiful.
Been here for days. We died. We almost out of water.
This is
Been nothing but climbing.
It ain't been nothing but climbing. 3 miles in, and still climbing. Come on, Carlos.
You better ride it, bro.
It's not a hike or bike. I tell y'all, we're still climbing. I didn't see that big ass rock there. Did y'all see that big round rock there? But, well, you got an e-bike. ain't too bad. Regular bike, climbing suck. We at the old house. Trails signage is good.
See if we can go that way. We could go that way. I think that's the way I normally go. We ain't gotta go that way. I don't know if I ever rode that bike going down here.
Well, time to do it. We done made it this far.
All right.
We didn't do all that riding for nothing. I'm tired. It's crap. Heart rate still was like 179 with an e-bike. First time I turned my bike power all the way up to see what it'll do. Full 50 Newton meters. That shit drinks battery. I think we're pretty much at the top. Yeah. Now we at the top. We got a double black new Boss, which is the one that we're taking, and Black Forest, which is the double black. Downhill from here. It's a black diamond, and that is a drop. It is definitely a drop right here. Yeah, it's rollable. Film them doing the drop. Then we take new Boss all the way down. It's a black diamond. That drop is rollable right there. But the max elevation is, as far as to new Boss, is 3769. 3784 is the top of new Boss elevation. The minimum that we was at the park was 3018. So we climbed like 700 feet. But I think the very, very top is like, I guess it's like 4,000 or something. Or if this the very, very top, it's close to it. So. Hey, there. We finally got to the downhill. That was a good rollable rock stuff too. They say this one is black, so I'm always skeptical of black diamonds. How y'all doing? All right. Man. Rocks is always loose. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm the last one. Fun being on rocks, even though it's loose. Good.
A lot of fun when there are people coming up.
I didn't know what to expect on some of those big rock things, but they all seem rollable. We on Don't Rock the Boat now. Blue black. The other one that we had was black. Oh, I just clipped my pedals. Thanks. Let's see how this one is. What in the world? What's going on? I'm the last one.
Cool, thanks.
Oh, that was some air. That gonna rock. amazing. A blue black. Yeah, it's rocky. Dang, that would have been good. Yeah, this is fun. Fun, a little loose. But fun. Well, you be picking up rocks and everything. Thought I had dropped something, but I didn't.
Oh, yeah. All those damn rocks.
Yeah, rock flying. I was like, damn.
Rock after rock hitting up on it too.
I said, damn, did I drop something? So I stopped.
I'm gonna need a new bike. Damn, it's an e-bike time.
It is.
It actually kind of looks like a track. Hey, shit.
Go ahead and get that e-bike. Downhill. Rock garden. Kind of drop. Oh, that must have been optional. Hey, foot almost came. Foot came off the pedal. Now that was a fun section. Which one is this one?
We're not riding.
I let my feet go off the pedals.
That's blue dream. The other, we can go hit that little small jump thing over there to lap it for a little bit.
We get Blue Dreams or the jam. Are we back to the top?
Yeah, let's go.
To the jam?
Let's go see if we can hit that little jump thing.
Yeah, the jam. What they was doing?
And then we can come try this.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Dang, so we made it to the bottom already.
Yes, sir.
Golly.
It was fun. If the people wouldn't have been in the way, it would have felt longer. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. If I do it for, if I would have did it for a second time, It's always better after you ride it the first time because you already know what's coming.
Yeah, right.
You can kind of like let loose. So next time we do it, probably a whole.
Going
fast, yeah.
Yeah.
I was going down very cautiously for sure.
Because I didn't know what a black was like here.
I mean, some of them rocks come out of nowhere, so you don't know like what to do on it. Yeah.
And some of the blocks I rode, if I was close enough to Carlos to see what he did, if it was rollable, then I did it. But the other ones, I was like, oh. I don't know what happened to my rear brake, but I gotta find out. It might have some air in it or something. But it's real spongy like. Now it done beat back up. We on the jam circle. I got air in my rear brake.
Yeah. Oh, is it spongy?
Yeah.
I thought you were doing your brake bleed. No, I'm just kidding. Damn it, Carlos hit it for me. That's it, I'm doing a backflip. Fuck you, Carlos.
I was just following this.
Let me follow Carlos in.
Oh, yeah, that one is built pretty good. Carlos, I'm gonna give you some space. He always get me views. Oh, he made it. Yeah, I get him following all the time. All right, you too.
There's your scope.
Yeah.
Fault of the police officer.
Gotta love the views. Got to love the views. And Evo, you did great. Time to hit the blue dream. Me and Latoya did this trail like 4 years ago with our normal bike's blue dream. If I find a picture again, I can show y'all a picture of my first real specialized rock hopper bike that I had. Fun, fun, fun. Y'all ready?
No.
A little chunky. Oh no, this ain't the one. It's the other one. Ooh. Yeah.
That berm was very loose. You feel that shit?
Which one?
That berm up there?
That y'all was yelling. I'll slow down because y'all started yelling.
That was fucking fun.
Case this time, which I'm gonna case every single one of them, but
Wait till you hear them yell. They don't yell, they didn't overshoot it.
I never overshot nothing, so overshot nothing, so I should be good. Yo! Whoo!
Your turn.
Your turn. We saved the best for last.
Yeah, he cool like us.
Yo! Yo! Dang, that was huge. Yo! That is fucking huge. Carlos screaming out. What happened?
I think I seen you on the camera.
What happened?
My whole tire was sliding.
He washed out over there.
I was right here, my tire slid out to here, and then it grabbed again. I was like this.
Hey.
I almost lost it. I don't know how I did.
You ever seen Nacho Libre? Whenever he does like the butt clenching thing, that's what I seen him do.
Did you see me do it
Yeah.
on the camera? Fuck yeah!
Go, go, go! We did it. We did it. 8.37 miles. All right, y'all. So that was that festival. Rocky Knob, first festival I've been to. First time I've been to Rocky Knob in a while. So fun ride. See y'all next time. 2025 ride. It was good. We did about 8.5 miles. We'll see y'all on the next one.